Welcome to Telecommute Village. Today, we're diving into remote work horror stories, the kind that will make you double-check your Wi-Fi and rethink that 8 a.m. Zoom call. But don't worry, we're not just here to share nightmares. We'll also give you practical solutions so you can avoid these disasters yourself. Let's get into it. Case study number 1, the Vanishing Act. Meet Sarah. She landed a dream remote job with a flexible schedule. Everything was going great until her manager noticed she was missing every team meeting. Emails went unanswered. Chat messages left on read. Turns out Sarah had moved to a different time zone, but never updated her work calendar. She was showing up hours late, thinking meetings had been canceled. The fix: always update your time zone settings across all work platforms. Use scheduling tools like Google Calendar or World Time Buddy to avoid accidental ghosting. And if your team is spread out globally, set a standard for meeting times that works for everyone. Case study number 2, the Workcation gone wrong. Mike thought he had mastered the digital nomad life. Sun, sand, and spreadsheets, that was his plan. But when he arrived in Bali, he realized the Wi-Fi was more Wi-Fi than reliable. His laptop barely connected, video calls were pixelated, and his boss was not impressed with his island lag. The fix: before working from a new location, check internet speeds using tools like speedtest.net. Have a backup hotspot or SIM card ready. And if you absolutely need stable internet, book accommodations with verified high-speed connections. Case study number 3, the Background Betrayal. Lisa was giving a presentation to the executive team when disaster struck. Her husband, completely unaware, walked into the background wearing nothing but a towel. Gasps, awkward silence, and the CEO suddenly needed to step away for a moment. The fix: always check your background before a video call. Use virtual backgrounds or position your workspace to avoid surprise appearances. And if you live with others, let them know your meeting schedule to prevent accidental photobombs. Case study number 4, the Overcommitment Spiral. Tom thought working remotely meant more time to take on side gigs. Soon, he was juggling 3 clients, a full-time job, and about 4 hours of sleep. He burned out fast, missing deadlines and delivering subpar work. Eventually, he lost everything, including his main job. The fix: time management is everything. Use project management tools like Trello, Notion, or Asana. Set realistic expectations and know your limits. If you're freelancing on the side, make sure it doesn't interfere with your main job's quality and deadlines. Case study number 5, the always online trap. Emma's job was remote, but somehow she worked longer hours than ever. Slack messages at 10 p.m.? She answered. Emails at 2 a.m.? She responded. Before she knew it, she was working 12-hour days, feeling like she could never log off. The fix: set clear boundaries. Use Slack statuses or autoresponders to communicate when you're offline. Create a dedicated workspace so you can physically leave work at the end of the day. And most importantly, stick to a schedule. Just because you're remote doesn't mean you should always be available. Conclusion: remote work is amazing, but it comes with its own set of challenges. The good news? Most of these horror stories are avoidable with the right habits, tools, and mindset. Have you ever had a remote work disaster? Share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more remote work tips. See you in the next video.